Hello! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use FlipGrid. I am super excited about this resource. This is our first time using this resource, so it's new to us too. It is a way for students to respond in video so that they're able to give their opinions and post them, and then other students can watch their videos as well. So I'm super excited. I think this will help us feel more like we're in the classroom and be able to respond to our peers. Okay, so you are going to click on the FlipGrid link, and then it should take you to a sign-in page. I highly recommend clicking Remember Me, so you don't have to do the sign-in part every time. You are going to click Login with Microsoft because that's our county has a Microsoft account. This is probably not going to pop up. It's probably going to say, it's probably going to ask you for your email, and that's when you're going to put in your student username, so the S2010 or S2009 number, and then at duvalschools.org, just like when you first logged into Teams. It might ask you for your password. If so, just put in your DCPS password. All right, then it's going to enter our FlipGrid. As you can see, both Miss Larson and Miss Bowles are on this, so we can both see your amazing responses. So I clicked on FlipGrid Identifying Reasons Day 1 already. So it's going to go directly to this. It's going to show the video, and then it is going to ask you to choose an opinion. So you can watch this video on your own. It says choose an opinion. I think we should continue learning online, or I think we should go back to school and continue learning in our classroom. Support your opinion with 1 to 3 reasons. Post a video explaining your reasons. So there's already a response right here. So what I recommend you doing is, if you understand what this is asking you to do and you've watched the video, you should click this button and post your response first. But if you don't really understand, I post a teacher example, and you can watch my teacher example first. There might also be other examples from other students, but I would like you to post your response first, or if you don't understand, watch my example and then post your response. Watch other students' responses after you've already posted. Okay, so you're going to click this to record a response. Allow. I don't know if this is going to work right now because I'm already using my video. Okay, so yeah, so I'm already using my video and microphone, so it's not going to show up right here. But this is, once you click this, it's going to have you post a video response. So I'll show you what mine looks like. I think we should go back to school and continue learning in the classroom. I think this for 3 reasons. 1, I learn better in the classroom. So as you can see, there's already, once you click this green button, you can do this video response, then you can even reply to someone. So if one of your classmates had a really good video and you liked that idea, you could click reply and you could respond to their video. So this resource is awesome. I am so excited to use it, and I can't wait to see your video posts and your response to your peers. I hope this helped. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. I'm happy to further explain this to you. Have a great day.